My name is Ashwati Suresh Nair, and today I'll be presenting on how Shein can enhance customer satisfaction by improving and integrating its services. In today's competitive market, customer experience has become a defining factor for brand success. By focusing on service integration and customer centric strategies, Shein can strengthen its position in the global market. In this presentation, I'll be covering Shein's current customer satisfaction challenges, key areas for improvement and integration, actionable strategies to elevate Shein's customer experience, the long-term benefits of focusing on customer satisfaction. So this is the table of content. These are the topics that I'll be covering about the brand, target audience, positioning map, about the theme, key areas for improvement, integration, and conclusion. So, about the brand, Shein is a global lifestyle and fashion e commerce brand. Founded in 2012, it has redefined the fashion industry, working with high end technology and addressing the core challenges faced in the fashion industry. The company has significantly grown from being a small wedding retailer store to a company that sells across 150 countries today and has various ranges of products. Shein has a significant international presence with its headquarters being in Singapore and its offices are worldwide. So the target audience Shein primarily caters to an audience aged between 18 to 35 years, um, with the largest demographic being women shoppers. Its customers typically come from lower to middle income groups, including students and young professionals, due to the affordability, trendiness, and adherence to factors. The brand appeals to fast fashion forward, trend seeking consumers who value high quality to low costs. And Shein's customers often exhibit impulsive buying behavior, um, and are highly engaged by features such as gamified loyalty programs. Though Shein doesn't have one yet, but they are their behavioral statistics say that they're impulsive buyers and are people who engage more with new arrivals, that keeps the shopping experience feeling free and exciting. This is the conceptual map. So this is also the positional analysis for the brand and its competitors. So Shein has competitors like ASOS, Zara, H&M, Abercrombie and Fitch. So Shein has been it's an ultra trendy designs. It showcases ultra trendy designs at low prices and targets budget conscious customers or shoppers. Um, Zara is a fast fashion with runway inspired styles, but slightly towards the premium side when compared to Shein. H&M, H&M is not as trendy as Shein is. It combines accessible fashion with sustainability, but is low on trendiness when compared to Shein. ASOS trendy, diverse style with a slightly premium quality and inclusivity of clothes. Similarly, Forever 21, I would say Forever 21 is the pricing is quite similar to that of Shein, but lags in variety and trendiness and relevance to today's customers or Gen Z and millennials, I would say. Boohoo is affordable, trend driven, prices with an emphasis on celebrity collaboration, pieces that are very close to, again, runway styles, but the price range is again very close to Shein and is a direct competitor to Shein, I would say. The theme I have chosen is enhancing customer satisfaction through service improvement. The importance of customer satisfaction in this competitive fast fashion industry. Customer satisfaction is vital for a brand's loyalty and repeat business. Enhancing customer satisfaction through service improvement integration ensures every touch point with the brand from browsing to post purchase is seamless. Um, Sheen can elevate the customer experience by consistently gathering and analyzing customer feedback to improve products, optimizing digital platforms for smoother navigation, and address logistics and pain points to ensure faster and more reliable deliveries. We are going to talk about the areas ahead. So, the theme is enhance customer satisfaction through service improvement. In this fiercely competitive environment, customer satisfaction plays an extremely important role, I would say. Um, so, areas for improvement: shipping and delivery. Delayed deliveries and lack of real time tracking makes consumers feel uncertain about their purchases with the brand. Shein might be losing out on its customers due to the minimum order criteria for free shipping. For example, if I am to buy a dress that costs me £5 and I just want to buy that one dress, um, but uh, the delivery charges are coming up to £5. So the dress falls for £10 to me. But if I buy another extra dress or another product, probably the delivery charges might become zero or it might become free of cost. But I do not need the other product. So I might go to the shop and buy it instead of purchasing it online. So Shein loses out on customers that way. So opportunities to improve: local warehouses to reduce delivery time, order tracking feature in the apps and websites so that consumers can track where their shipment has reached. Introduction of pickup joints or kiosks from where they could physically go and collect their um, products after placing order online. That would be one of them. Then customer support automated responses may fail to connect with customers on deeper levels. Having automated responses sent to many any problems faced by the customers may seem impersonal or absence of multilingual support. For example, there are a lot of countries that are that do not have English as their first language, and I would like to give an example of Amazon over here. Amazon in India has introduced regional languages for every state, people of every state to actually be able to purchase products by um, talking to the record button and placing orders for their products. So, opportunities to improve would be 24/7 multilingual chatbots, real time queries to be addressed through social media platforms. It would be great if consumers could actually DM on Instagram or connect with them on different social media platforms to solve their queries, making human assisted customer support quicker and more accessible without much waiting for complex queries. Next one would be product quality assurance. Contradictions in the products and the displayed images on the websites and apps is one of the biggest issues faced by the customers of Shein. Inconsistent sizing of delivered products causes increased number of returns and refunds, which is another complex procedure that that reduces the customer satisfaction or ruins the customer experience. Um, Opportunities to improve: adding certified products or authenticated products to their websites and apps, maintaining a standard size chart, or they should also like provide a description whether it runs a size lower than the standard size chart or like a size higher than the standard size chart. I've seen Zara do that. So integrating that would also make consumers life easier. encouraging customers who have already purchased the products to upload images and feedback. They could be um, they could be asked to share a feedback, a comment, or an image, and Sheen could provide reward points to them in return for that, and they could claim that for their next purchase. Um, Building community and loyalty. Sheen has a very limited initiatives that engage customers after purchasing products. They do not have a very well structured loyalty program or reward point program, which can actually help them form a community. Opportunities to improve would be introducing games on websites and apps to boost consumer engagement, like a spin the wheel, where they can win a piece of garment or vouchers that might help them in future, or they can utilize in future. Events in different regions with local influencers, so that there is relevance and connect to the local target audience of every particular region. Adding a section on apps and websites which provide styling tips by their local influencers or celebrities, and this can keep the consumers updated about the current fashion trends. Integration. Shein can conduct regular customer surveys to identify any challenges faced by customers, using KPIs to track user satisfaction like CSAT and NPS. Introducing unified help desk will help consumers access FAQs and chat with agents easily, and they could also possibly track their complaint status. For example, if there is a product that has been returned by one of the consumers, they could actually go back and trace whether their refunds are in process, or like if they have placed an order which they have not received and they filed a complaint, where actually the case stands. Addition of a section on apps or websites that help consumers track their sustainability footprint, because today's audience is very high on sustainability and are quite environment conscious. Every purchase could show their sustainability footprint or their carbon footprint, which will also make them conscious buyers. And adding this would be an initiative towards the sustainability factor. Using consumer data to create hyper personalization, which helps the help which would help the applications to suggest the consumers about products based on their buying habits or their behavioral habits or their purchasing history, which would be perfect fit or recommendations for them. Even personalized messages, like uh, sending personalized emails on every stage of buying would also be helpful. Um, then the long term benefits of focusing on customer satisfaction would be increased rate of customer retention. Because of good positive experiences, there is a high chance that the customers would come back to buy. Positive user experience will create nothing but a stronger brand reputation. Enhanced customer service will enable Shein to penetrate many more new markets, and the scalability would be higher, and they could enter possibly in many more countries. Addressing concerns like sustainability and environmental friendliness will position Shein as a forward-thinking brand in the industry, as it is a fast fashion brand with very low prices. The consumers tend to bulk buy, and the initiative we spoke about before, which is adding a section that helps consumers track their own carbon footprint or sustainability footprint, um, um, would be a positive approach in this direction. Conclusion. Enhancing customer satisfaction is a strategic necessity for a brand like Shein, and not just a mere operational update. By improving areas like personalization, community building, returns and refund policies, Shein can positively change its brand reputation and build loyalty. Investing in customer service will increase positive experiences, which in return will increase the customer retention. Better service provisions will obviously provide a edge in the fast paced fashion marketing industry for Shein. Thank you.